Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Legion, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this smartphone. First of all, go into calendar by tapping on it. Then click on the month above and set up a date. When you're ready, choose this plus icon at the bottom right corner and select event. Now you can adjust it however you want to. For example, add a title to it, pick starting hour or ending one, add people, select location, choose while using the app or only this time, type in an address and click on the correct one. Then you can also set up notifications minutes, hours or even weeks before your event over here and change color. When you're ready, take some notes, add attachments and choose save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you can do that by tapping on it and choosing this pen icon at the top right corner. Now make your changes. I will go with all day, so I don't want my starting hour and ending one. I have to click on the switcher, delete it and choose save again. If you wish to delete your event though, you can also do that by clicking on it, but this time selecting those three dots at the top right corner. Now select delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!